Great morning, my beautiful revivers. Today, I have a message from the universe, and today, the card that I pulled is awareness. Awareness, and this is a major arcana, and I'm going to talk to you about awareness. This is for someone, and this card is one of the key reminders that you already possess all of the tools to guide and direct you in your life, whether it's wisdom, intuition, psychic skill, creativity, self-motivation, love, willpower, physical ability, or just pure courage. They're all part of you. Once you learn to tap into and use them, you'll be amazed by the power and the effects they can have. You have the ability to allow the universe to work in partnership with you. Together, you can manifest change, whatever the desire may be, and bring about a positive outcome. This card represents your ability to create your own reality, to set ideas in motion and watch them grow. This card is often drawn when you're ready to switch directions, start a new project, or change careers. Now is the time to use positive thoughts, visualizations, and affirmations as you veer away from the negativity. Knowledge is power and can lead to success. By having faith, keeping your willpower strong and directed, and by tapping into the tools that you possess, as well as calling on the magic from the universe, you can accomplish anything and everything you set out to do. This card depicts the magician. And this is basically saying that you have the power to create everything that you desire, everything that you can think of and visualize. Don't let anything be a stumbling block in your life. It doesn't matter if it's a person, place, a ailment, a disease, or anything like that. We have the power to heal. We have the power to remove ourselves from negativity. We have the power to do all it is that is possible to make those visions and dreams come true. I hope this was for someone. If you have any questions about this, please leave it below. And if you would like to DM me, not DM me, email me. The CPR Vibe is where you can email me if you have any more questions, or you would like me to do a one-on-one with you. So I shall talk to you guys later, Gators. And remember, stick to your script because you are the best at it. And remember, you are the most important person in your life. And without you, nothing exists.